Hi everybody, Rog here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Well, today I'm going to be cooking something really very exotic. Well, I think it's exotic. It's got pineapple in it anyway. It's called Hawaiian Chicken, and this is how it goes. Firstly, we need these ingredients. So very importantly, we want some pineapple rings. I've got some dairy-free spread here that I'm going to use. We need some curry powder, some black pepper, a red pepper, some salt for seasoning, 2 onions, 1 garlic clove, some ginger, some lemon juice, then some white wine vinegar, some soy sauce, and last but not least, we need just a little bit of this flour here. So in a mixing bowl we go in with 4 tablespoons full of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, roughly the juice from about half a lemon. I'm using juice out of a bottle today. Then we crush in 1 garlic clove, scraping off the end like that so that we don't miss any. Half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a pinch of sea salt. Then we can give this all a real good mix together. Get it all incorporated, get all those spice flavours all mixed into with the soy sauce and the white wine vinegar. So then, moving on swiftly, we're going to prep our onions. We want them cut into quite large chunks. Cut off the root bits like that, we don't want those. Then we make a start with this really juicy red pepper here. Take out the middle, you've seen me do this before. And then we're going to cut this into chunks about the same size as we did with the onion. So let me quickly show you these chicken portions. I've got some breast here, some breast pieces, and also I've got a couple of thighs in there as well. So off they go. And into a pan we go with some cooking oil. And then we want some of this dairy-free spread because it's going to be a dairy-free dish. So yeah, that's what we need. When we've got it nice and hot, then we're going to brown off these chicken pieces, these chicken portions. And once they've browned off on all sides, then we're going to move them from this pan. And we're going to set them to one side, allowing us to carry on with the rest of the recipe. So off they go, don't miss that bit. There we go. Now, this is important. In we go with our flour. Now as you stir the flour in, we want to cook it out for a little while because you don't want a floury taste in with the end dish. And you'll notice how it's all sort of clagging together. There we go. Looks like a little bit of pastry now, but that's just how you want it. Then we've got to really slowly add our sauce mixture. Now we want to do this a bit at a time, not too much. We're not in a hurry. We want to make a proper job of this. So we do that, as I said, a little bit at a time. Keep mixing, keep the heat on sort of medium, and eventually you can end up with a really nice, thick and juicy sauce. Like this. Then back in with the chicken portions. In they go. Give this another stir together. There we go, look at that, get them all coated in the sauce, lovely. In with the peppers, in with the onions. Stir again. As you know, it's very important to make sure your chicken is cooked right through. So give it at least 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. Pop the lid on, and we want to cook these right through for about 20 minutes. Look, that's bubbling away well there. Then we can go in with our pineapple pieces. If you can see that I've cut all of these in half. We didn't want the whole rings in there, at least I didn't want the whole rings in there. We can spread them out more evenly like this. There we go, spread them nicely over the top. Lid back on. And leave to heat right through. Now once it's cooked right through, we're ready for a taste test. Yep, that tastes really good. It's tender, flavoursome, and I like that touch with the pineapple. It makes it really sweet, it makes it different, makes it exotic. A bit like me really. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.